Well, let's try another example along these lines. We're still in section 3.7 talking about the web-assigned homework. And our second example, I know it says example 1, that should say example 2. I'll make the correction. We want to find f inverse prime of a at a equals 0 again, but this time where f of x is equal to 2 inverse tangent of x plus 6x squared. And I don't think that we've gotten any experience dealing with functions like 2 inverse tangent of x plus 6x squared. So where do we go? Well, again, let's put this in the language that we're being asked right here. We want to find f inverse prime at 0, and we're going to use our formula for the inverse function, which is that f inverse prime of 0 is going to be f prime of f inverse of 0. So as in the last example, of course, we need to go through and get our derivatives. First of all, f of x, right? F of x is equal to 2 times the inverse tangent of x plus 6x squared. And its derivative, f prime of x, is going to be 2 over 1 plus x squared, right? This is the derivative of our inverse tangent function, plus 12x. So we're going to have to use our numbers right here. What could we say? Well, we also want to find f inverse prime, f inverse of 0. But well, what value of x would make that true? And the answer, of course, is that it's going to be true where 0 is equal to f of x, because of an inverse function at 0 is equal to x if and only if 0 is equal to f of x. Now, in this case, I've gone through Desmos yet again, and I've graphed the function f of x equals 2 tangent of x plus 6x squared here in this function. Clearly, it's not one-to-one, but we can still use the same information right here. There appear to be more than one zero, but there's really only one that seems to be making this easy. The only one place where it crosses at an integer is at x equals 0. So we might ask ourselves, all right, is x equals 0 a solution to this thing? Well, let's check it out, right? Let's check. Would f of 0 equal 0? Well, all right, f of 0 means 2 times the inverse tangent of 0 plus 6 times 0 squared. Yeah, sure enough. This is 2 times 0. The tangent of 0, inverse tangent of 0 is 0, plus 0. The result, of course, is 0. So yes, that is true. So we can use this information now to evaluate f inverse prime of 0, because f inverse prime of 0 is going to be 1 over f prime of 0. Well, since f inverse prime of 0 is equal to 0 and f of 0 is 0, this is true. So that means we're going to have to take f prime and evaluate it at 0. What do we have? Well, that's going to be 2 divided by 1 plus 0 squared plus 12 times 0. The answer, of course, is that this is equal to 2. So, using our theorem right here, f inverse prime at 0 is going to be 1 over f prime of 0, which we decided was equal to 2. So our slope is 1/2 at this particular point. And we're done.